Setting up Zelle in your Wells Fargo app is straightforward and requires no additional downloads. Let's walk through the complete setup process step by step. The key advantage is that Zelle is fully integrated into your existing Wells Fargo mobile app. There's no need to download a separate Zelle app or create additional accounts. First, open your Wells Fargo mobile app and log in using your existing online banking credentials. These are the same username and password you use for Wells Fargo online banking. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu or account dashboard. Look for the option labeled Send Money with Zelle and select it. This feature is prominently displayed in most Wells Fargo app interfaces. Next, you'll need to accept the Zelle terms and conditions. This is a one-time requirement that establishes the agreement between you, Wells Fargo, and the Zelle network for secure money transfers. Finally, confirm your contact information. You'll need to verify either your email address or mobile phone number. This information is crucial because it's how others will send money to you through Zelle. Double-check that your contact information is accurate before completing setup. Incorrect information can prevent you from receiving money and may cause transaction delays. Once verified, your Zelle setup is complete and ready to use. Now that Zelle is set up in your Wells Fargo app, sending money is straightforward. The process involves several key steps that we'll walk through together. The sending process follows a clear sequence. First, you'll select your recipient, then enter the amount and details, review everything, and finally, send the money. Let's look at the actual Wells Fargo app interface. Here you can see the key screens you'll encounter when sending money through Zelle. Step 1. Select your recipient. You can choose from existing contacts in your phone or add a new recipient using their email address or US mobile phone number. Step 2. Enter the amount you want to send. Keep in mind your daily sending limits, which typically range from $500 to $2,500, with monthly limits up to $20,000. Step 3. Add an optional memo to describe the transaction. This helps both you and the recipient understand what the payment is for. Step 4. Choose which Wells Fargo account you want to send the money from. This could be your checking or savings account. Step 5. Review all the details carefully. Double-check the recipient information, amount, and account selection before authorizing the transaction. Once you authorize the transaction, you'll receive a confirmation number and notification. Most Zelle transactions complete within minutes, making it one of the fastest ways to send money. Sending money with Zelle through Wells Fargo is secure, fast, and convenient. The integrated experience makes it easy to transfer funds to friends, family, or anyone with a U.S. bank account.